To see how I made my luxurious bed, just keep on watching. So the foundation of your bed, besides from your mattress and your mattress protector, of course, is your sheet set. So I have this 4-piece bed sheet set from Mellanni. This portion of the video is sponsored by Mellanni. The sheet sets are available in several colors, sizes, and styles. The sheets are very lightweight, so they will not be heavy on your skin when sleeping. That way you are cool and comfortable throughout the night or perhaps during your nap time. Now, I made my bed during the day. However, that night when we slept, the sheets were super soft and they felt so good on my skin. I love the deep pockets. I was able to tuck my fitted sheets under the mattress. That way it doesn't slide off while sleeping. The sheets can be gifted for weddings, graduation, housewarmings, and so much more. I will have a 15% off discount code below for anyone who is interested. The sheets are sold at Mellanni.com and also on Amazon. So I'm going to chime back in a few and show you how I put my pillowcases on the pillows. So here are the beautiful pillowcases. I love the details that's stitched in the pillowcase. So basically I ravel up my pillowcase and I take my hand, stick it in the middle of the pillowcase, grab the pillow and just thread the pillowcase down the pillow. And it's very easy to do. I learned that in nursing school. Okay, love, so I make my bed as I go, meaning I style it as I go. I have no idea from day to day on how I'm going to style my bed. But what I do on a routine basis is I use a bedspread on top of my sheets because if I was to get cold, I would cover up with the bedspread. Now this bedspread is from Amazon and I will link it down below. And then after that, I actually use another bedspread on top of that, which is my decor bedspread, the one that I'm using for decoration purposes only. And I actually purchased my bedspreads in king because I like to tuck my spreads in the base of the bed, as you see that I'm doing there. And I can't get that look if I would have ordered or purchased a queen. So again, my bedspreads are all in king, but my sheet sets are in queen. And this one is from Amazon. The pink one is from On Cloud 9. I won that in a giveaway over on Instagram a few years ago, but they do still have that in stock. If I can find that link, I will add that link to the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope that this video inspires someone, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.